Okay, this is a Tecno pouvior, and it has a very beat cover. That wouldn't have been really the case, but when you look at the frame around the volume buttons and the SIM card tray, it's almost hopeless. And then when you look at the front, it is basically shattered, and yeah, so I needed to change this. Now we'll have to remove the old one, and I already got a new one, which is this right here, still in the seal. Now let me show you how we'll deal with this. This comes out like that by lock and key mechanism. There, and okay, I guess I'm being a bit rash, but yeah, so this is how it gets off, like that. Remember, while lifting this out, always push out the fingerprint sensor. You don't want to tear that fiber. Now let's get our new one. This came off easily. I didn't need to remove the SIM card trays, but I think I will have to remove them. That's the first thing we should have done. So bring that out of place, and then this also out of place right there. And having done that, let's bring in our new one. This is how it's looking. So in comparison to the old one, that's what we have. Okay, right there. Right there, you see. So first things, let's just remove this off. This protects the adhesive that holds the fingerprint sensor onto the top frame. They were kind to place that. Yep, now keep that in position right there, and then bring the cover. I always encourage to begin with the button sides first. Oh, I see this jumping out of position. Please go back. You're not supposed to be away. I think that was an effect of the old frame being messed up. So bring that like that into the frame, then cover the entire back like that, and we now have ourselves a clean phone. Good as new, one would dare say. Yeah, and the power button clicks well. So let's put back our trays. I'll put that back right there, and then this into there. Has our fingerprint aligned? I believe so. Okay. And yeah, we are now having a new looking phone. So thanks for watching. Please do subscribe, hit the like button. See you in the next video.